In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal tasks. Whether you're familiar with Monday.com or diving in for the first time, organizing your personal tasks can be a breeze. Let's get started and make task management a seamless part of your day. First, begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is create a new workspace. This will serve as your dedicated space for organizing personal tasks. You might want to name it something straightforward like My Tasks. This helps in keeping your personal projects separated from any professional ones that you might be using Monday.com for. Now, within this workspace, you'll click on the option to add a new board. For simplicity and clarity, let's name this board Personal Tasks. Think of this board as your digital command center where all your personal tasks will live and evolve. You can see this board as your go-to place for an overview of everything that needs your attention. Next, it's time to add some essential columns to your board. These columns will function as the backbone of your task tracking system. At a minimum, consider adding columns for task names, due dates, status updates, and priorities. Customizing these columns according to your personal needs can greatly enhance your productivity. Think about what kinds of information help you most. For instance, adding a column for estimated time might be helpful if you're planning your day around time-sensitive tasks. Once you have your columns set up, start organizing your tasks. Begin listing them out along with relevant details in the respective columns. This process might take some initial time, but it pays off by providing a clear, organized view of your workload. You can also categorize tasks based on different projects or deadlines, making it easier to prioritize what needs to be done first. Adding different views to track your progress can offer insights and keep you motivated. Monday.com provides options like calendar views or Kanban boards, which visually represent how your tasks are moving from to do to in progress to done. Choose a view that resonates with you and makes it easier for you to grasp your productivity. Remember to update your board daily or weekly. Regular updates ensure that your tasks remain current and prevent any tasks from falling through the cracks. Keeping your board updated is key to maintaining an organized and effective system. Finally, to maintain a clutter-free board, make it a habit to archive tasks as you complete them. This practice not only keeps your workspace tidy, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment, seeing tasks move off your plate and into the archive. By following these steps, you'll have a robust system on Monday.com to manage your personal tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.